Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel LHT. You people really love my previous DIY telescope video. So today I bring a brand new reflector or Newtonian telescope which is really awesome and more powerful than previous one. And this one is provided by Anand Traders, very genuine and trustworthy company in India. So further do anything, let me show you the unboxing and assemble this telescope. Then we'll watch the far away objects and we'll experience beautiful night sky view. This is the giant F70076 telescope box sent by Anand Traders. Now quickly open it and see what's inside. Box for the stand, small box for little parts, box for yoke mount bracket and the big one for the telescope. Now let me quickly unwrap this thing and take out from the box. First, the leg for the stand. Remove the plastics. This is very nice. Now the yoke mount bracket, which will hold the telescope. The quality is great and this is fully metal. Now the all accessories, I'll show you one by one. First the eyepiece tray, tripod support bracket, screw and nut for the stand, 1.5x reacting eyepiece, finder scope, this is 2x parallel lens, the vertical find adjustment rod, this is very useful, and a layer of cotton cloth. Now the time for the eyepieces: 12.5 mm, 4 mm and 20 mm, along with the moonlight filter. And now there is a special offer, you can also get 25 mm eyepiece with this kit. Okay telescope, now it's your turn. Packaging is great, protected from all sides. Oh, this feels really good. Supreme look with lightweight. Will definitely give you a scientist kind of feeling. This is metal body, very stylish and lightweighted. Now the time for installing these parts. We'll start with the stand, secure with screws. Now attach the tripod support bracket. It's not at all hard. Just check those parts and join with this screw and bolts. Once done, now attach the yoke mount bracket. This is also very simple. Just place in the middle and secure with the wing nuts and bolts. I really love this eyepiece tray. It's look nice and very useful. You can keep your necessary eyepieces here. Installing the telescope is also not very hard, but definitely handle with care. See how simple it is to join with the adjustment rod and these big bolts. Little layer of metal used as a screwdriver. By opening this knob, you can vertically adjust this telescope. Now we'll install the finder scope here. Same with screws. Yes, fantastic. Don't forget to remove this cover, otherwise you can see only black hole. Remove the eyepiece cover and place this 20 mm eyepiece. By rotate this small screw, you need to align this finder scope with telescope eyepiece, and by twisting this knob you can rotate this telescope in 360 degrees. Now our telescope assemble and installation has been completed. It really looks amazing. The texture, feel, color, style all are great in this price of range. I will give you the buying link and contact details of Anand Traders in the description box down below. There you can contact with him for this beautiful product. You can see here a 3-inch primary mirror inside, no lenses, and this is secondary mirror fixed with screw. The focal length of this telescope is 700 mm. 2x Barlow can double the focal length. You can see here a little water tank. I will see through this 2x Barlow and 20 mm eyepiece, which gives me 70x zoom here. If I remove the Barlow and use only 20 mm eyepiece, it gives 35x zoom. You can see the difference here. And here, by turning the round knob of this vertical adjustment rod, you can slowly move this telescope up and down. Now first we'll see the sun. It's setting down, so it's not harmful for eyes. Let's watch from the finder scope first and then through the eyepiece. Oh, the cloud gives a really cool effect on the sun. Beautiful view. Now some far away objects, like this mobile tower 2 km away. Through the finder scope, then through the eyepiece. I'm using here 12.5 mm eyepiece with 2x Barlow, which gives me 112x zoom. Watch this palm tree. And its long flowers. Here the distance is about 200 meters. Now it's time for the moon. I'm using here 2x Barlow and 20 mm eyepiece. Barlow lens double the magnification but slightly reduce the brightness. This is only with 20 mm eyepiece without Barlow. This is with 25 mm eyepiece. The camera is really crying to capture the real beauty. This is in 350x zoom with 4 mm eyepiece and 2x Barlow. Now I am showing the Jupiter and Saturn image. By this you can get the idea. There are no camera compatible with human eye. You can experience the night sky far more beautiful through your naked eye and this powerful telescope. You can see the similar product on online, but never go for those. F70076 by Anand Traders, this telescope's optics has huge difference from others and you can feel it. Summer is not good for the night sky view. On September, the Milky Way will come again and able to watch the nebula, Jupiter and Saturn very clearly. I will also post those videos. So guys, that's it for this video. If you like this telescope, don't forget to check the product in the description box down below. Also, the contact details of Anand Traders. So thank you everyone. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to this channel for more interesting video like this. Share your views and also like this video. Till then, thanks for watching and see you next time.